Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change the size of your desktop icons. Although it is very simple, but this video can be helpful for beginners in terms of changing the size of their desktop icons. In this video I will show you two ways. First one, just right click on the desktop, select view and click on large icons if you want larger icons. Now your desktop icons are larger. If you want small icons, right click on the desktop, select view and click on small icons. Now your desktop icons are smaller, but I want my desktop icon size to be medium. Select view and click on medium icons. If you are using a mouse, then hold down the control key in the keyboard and scroll up the mouse wheel button. This way you can get your desktop icons extra larger. If you want extra small icons, hold down the control key in the keyboard and scroll down the mouse wheel button. Now I have extra small icons. Let me make my icons a little bigger. Hold down the control key and scroll up. I think this is a perfect size. Or just right click on the desktop, select view and click on medium icons. This is a perfect icon size. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want more basic and advanced computer knowledge, tips and tricks, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.